Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay from Happy Hour Stitches, and I'm coming to you today because I got happy mail. So I got a package from Missouri Star. So we partnered with Missouri Star this month on a few different projects. So we ordered the supplies we needed. So we're gonna do an unboxing with you to share what we got and give you little sneak peeks at some upcoming things we have going. So I already opened the box, so I don't have to do that on camera, but let's see what we got. Okay, first up. Okay, we got some template plastic from the Gypsy Quilter. So we are working on a new pattern that is kind of a technique we're learning as we go. So we're trying out a few different tools and techniques so that we can share the best tips and tricks with you guys and the best supplies we found that worked. So we definitely picked up template plastic for this so we can let you know how that goes. Hopefully it works well. If you have any products you've been wanting to try, let us know in the comments because we can put an order in and then give you a review and test them out for you. So we'd love to know what products you've been on the fence about buying so we can see. Okay. Oh, let's do some cutting tools. So to go along with the project we're using template plastic for, we got an Olfa 18mm rotary cutter. It's a tiny one. It's for like detail work, getting really accurate detail cuts. So we're gonna test this out and see how that works compared to larger rotary cutters and see how that goes. But look at how tiny and cute it is. Okay, another cutting tool I'm so excited about. Gerber Scissors. Oh my goodness. So my pair of scissors I'm using now, it's probably 10 years old now. It was a cheaper scissors to begin with, and it is not as sharp anymore. And because it was not the highest quality, I don't want to spend the money sharpening it. So I'm so excited. These are high quality Gerber scissors. I'm especially struggling recently with even having my scissors cut through batting. So I cannot wait to get these out of the package and test them out. I think they're gonna just cut through my fabric and my batting like butter. It's gonna make my life so much easier. They're so beautiful. I'm so excited about these. Okay, we have some fabrics to show. So, first of all, I mean, everyone needs a good basic white for backgrounds, right? I think we got Moda. It's bleached white. So it's just a really bright white that we are pairing with a pink, a red, and a black and white stripe. So these three fabrics are from the All My Heart collection by Janet Wecker Frisch for Riley Blake. And we're making a fun Valentine's project with them. So you can see the little X's and O's. That might give you a clue what the project is. But if you go to our video description, you can check out what the finished project is gonna be. We have a link to a free pattern, Valentine's pattern using these amazing fabrics. And of course, black and white from that same Janet collection. It's my favorite type of binding. A nice stripe. I just think it helps the colors pop off your quilt. So we can't wait to share with you this pattern. So make sure you go to the video description to download your freebie. And the pattern will also have the cutest little rickrack trim to just add like a cute romantic touch to this project. So we stocked up on just medium size rickrack and a bright red color, so can't wait to add that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a surprise gift from them. Okay, let me open the box. It says it's a stainless insulated travel tumbler. Okay, oh, it says sleep, hydrate, sleep, repeat. And then it has some nice resources on here. Oh, so while I'm hydrating or drinking my morning coffee, I can use this right by my sewing machine Look at how pretty the colors and the fabrics are. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm a big coffee drinker, so this will be with me everywhere I go. Okay, oh, and one last little surprise. It's Chuck the duck. If you know Missouri Star, you know this is their cute little mascot, Chuck the duck. So he's dressed up in his winter gear to stay warm, which we definitely need to do here in the Midwest. So make sure you check out video description. We'll have details for everything we bought here. We'll have a link to the free pattern, and Missouri Star is offering a special discount code for you to get 15% off your entire order if you use the link you'll find in the video description. So make sure you check that out, get all your shopping done, let us know which of these products you loved, and subscribe to our channel for more fun unboxings and to see more projects we're making. So everyone have a great February and a happy Valentine's Day.